Mitsubishi Motors has introduced the facelifted Pajero Sport in the Indonesian market almost 2 years after the vehicle first debuted in Thailand. The updated model features plenty of changes to the interior and exterior styling, which helps the vehicle look fresher and more muscular than the outgoing model. The new facelift features sharp headlamps and a two-part front grille. The design of this model is based on Mitsubishi's dynamic shield philosophy. The vehicle gets an LED turn signal, LED cornering lights, and projector lamps. Moving towards the side profile, it doesn't get any highlighted changes in it. The only difference that you will witness is 18-inch alloy wheels partially blacked out. It gets more highlights like blacked out ORVM, chrome lining on pillars, and silver roof rail. At the rear, the new facelift Pajero now gets a shark fin antenna and newly designed taillights. It also features a roof-mounted spoiler that looks more sporty from the rear. The car is loaded with all necessary accessories that give a unique appeal on the road. It gets a skid plate as well. The new Pajero Sport is equipped with all necessary safety features. Additionally, it gets forward collision mitigation, blind spot monitor, rear cross traffic alert, lane change assist, and adaptive cruise control. The car is powered by a 2.4-litre turbocharged diesel engine that churns out 180 PS of power with 430 Nm of torque. It comes mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission with the option of rear-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive system.